tinapa og bihon.
Dali dito.
Sina unsa may naa diri?
Tang.
So annoying as heck.
Baba.
Okay lang naman yung magtanong pero pabalik-balik yung iba, pabalik-balik yung tanong, guys. Hindi. Tignan nyo, nakautot ako. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay. 7 o'clock na, aalis ako. I just don't like the fact that I have to leave here early. Well, I don't really have to. Yung aso hindi nga kumain. Ay, nako talaga tong mga asong to. You guys doesn't even eat your breakfast. Go eat your breakfast. Don't get so excited with me because I'm not giving you nothing. Dimension Philippines. Anyway, guys, I will see you on the road or I will see you when I get there. Bye, guys. Oh, 8:30. It's 7:20 na, so iti-text ko lang yung asawa ko. I will see you in the house, guys. I'm here, guys. Tinawagan ko ulit yung kapatid ko.
Hello, Del.
Hello, Day.
Oh.
Unsa na may balita diha? Nakuan natulog na mo?
Ha?
Tulog na mo?
Wala pa. Nagpataot-taot. Wala pa may grupo sa lasto.
Eh, mahilig. Nagkuan na pod mo glass to?
Ha?
Nagkuan na pod mo glass to di ay?
Oo. May lasto rin.
Nakadaog na mo.
Ano ka nang... Oo.
Si Papa wala na nakadaog glass to?
Ha?
Si Papa wala na nakadaog og glass to?
Wala na.
Sige, pag ulan diha.
Wala na yung ulan. Ay, hunang na.
Oh. Nagluto man pug ko dire gahapon og kuan. Katong niaging adlaw og kuan.
Laway?
Dili. Kanang
Laway?
dili gud kanang murag siya murag kuan ba kanang nagkuan ko og kanang usa to munggos og kanang kamunggay og tinapa og bihon.
Dali dito.
Sina unsa may naa diri?
Kana imong giluto.
Naman kanang namay mga tindahan diri nga para pang Asian ba? Asian store. Kanang mga pagkaon sa Japan, Taiwan, Pilipinas, Hong Kong, mga naay tindahan para ana.
Oh?
Unya kuan naay kuan bihon didto ko nagpalit og kanang kuan. Tanan katong akong giluto didto gikan.
Presko puti.
Unsa may nakapresko nga ang kadtong kamunggay nga frozen man. Gahi.
Ni.
Unya kuan.
Dalain.
Pagkuan na imo nang pahumukon di mahumok na.
Diluyat na na, oy.
Dili, uy, kanang kuan man, gikuan na siya, bagi kuha-kuha na. Unya, gibutang sa cellophane, unya, frozen. Unya, ang katong munggos.
Ay, nagayaan.
Oh, unya, munggos, ready na gudluto. Unya, ang katong munggos, kay kuan, kanang munggos, jud nga, kuan, dili frozen, munggos. Butang o kanang...
Latan pa ni mo.
Latan, alangan. Tinapa, lami, sad. Ligo.
Ligo?
Oh, ligo og saba na ana diha.
Bartong. Oo.
Saba?
Bartong na, diri ah.
Ang ligo?
Oo. Oo, bartong na, diri.
Unsa may mahal dai diha?
Yang taon, niga, family.
Nga wala man na diri.
Oo, pero mas lami ang family or kuan.
Lami man ang saba.
Diba kaya sikat ring ligo?
Lami man ang saba.
Diba sikat ang ligo din eh?
Ang ala nga na maura man ay naa diri. Wala man ko kitag yang taon diri. Ibalhin ta ka sa ako ang kuan be.
Balis ka.
Ibalhin ta ka sa akong cellphone, naka-connect manggug ka sa ako ang sasakyanan. Okay, asa man ning speaker ani? Yo, kadungog ka? Oh. Asa man ning speaker ani eh? Just wait. I just don't like it, huh? What is it over you're looking here? I see it on TV.
Do this, but I'm like, I don't see a price on it anywhere. You got them all here, you have like, you just put a gaff price out?
Over here.
Blackhead
$30 bucks.
$30.
Yeah, that's expensive. Razor blade is right there.
Where?
Oh, what is it? You to open it?
Try and open the battery for the watch.
Oh, they have black twistlers. So black, is it black or brown? Ay, ay, ay. My favorite Sour Patch. Ang mahal pala nito, guys, oh. For $33 bucks. Doon yung asawa ko ay sinusundan ko na lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nito. Oh my god, gusto ko yun, guys, oh. Gusto ko yan. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. Gee, what is that? Is that
Taking up the whole lane. Because he figures he owns the place.
Hi guys, I was here a while ago. Kababalik lang namin, Rayhan. And he's making some tuna salad for lunch and for bringing to work. Your banana you don't eat.
Sure I did.
Look at that, it's broken.
Only 2 left.
Broken, bad. I will going to. I tried to open it with one hand, Tommy.
Ooh, you're amazing. Put the camera down. Much quicker that way.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm not gonna put you down. Put paper in it. You have even bread. Oh, you have bread downstairs, hon? That nice bread, the long one that you like. Do you have it? It's frozen. Do you want me to bring it up here? No, that you like it.
That one big loaf inside.
Inside where? No, it's nothing here. It's almost Thanksgiving, Han. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving? Thanks?
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. That's when you don't kiss me since I got here.
I did. You just can't even remember that much. There's something wrong with you.
Oh, okay, you did. Don't see that, Honda. I don't remember, huh?
You didn't remember, obviously.
You have now a lipstick. Do we have rice here? He has a headache, guys. You're so annoying as heck. Where is my car key?
I don't know. You can't even figure that out.
Okay, you have your car key. That's what you're gonna use to open the car. I guess he's going to work. He is ready to go to work. Yung lipstick ko nawala, guys. Kinain ko na lahat. Right, Han? Ay, kain-kain my lipstick, Han.
What?
Ay, kain-kain my lipstick. Do you wanna kain-kain my lipstick?
That can of water should not be on either. You're short out in a while.
I will let it. I will disappear that later.
I'm gonna just do it now.
You will disappear it
Later,
now.
after something happens.
We had our like brunch together. Ang kinain ko lamb na naman, guys. Hindi na ako napapagod ng lamb. Yung leftover yan ni Tommy at saka white rice at saka yung mixed vegetables na niluto ko. That was Tuesday over here in this house. And Tommy, pasta that I made with the meat sauce and also the meatloaf. Yun kinain niya. So kumain kayo. So kayo yung lipstick ko nakain ko na lahat. You leaving now?
Yeah. Love you, Alan.
I love you too.
Yeah. Let me know when you're leaving. Try not to forget nothing.
Drive careful, huh?
I try. You do the same.
I love you.
I love you too. Have a good day.
You kiss my nose, hon. What my nose did I have?
I did not kiss your nose. It's my nose at your nose. I didn't make her a sandwich. I just made a tuna fish. She has to make a sandwich.
I'll do it before it takes forever, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I love you.
Love you too.
I'll talk to you later. Drive careful. Oi. No, your salad, it will be everywhere. You don't even lock this properly. Huh? Drive careful.
Yeah.
I love you so much. Hi guys. Tumawag si Tommy. Ihahang ko daw yung ano. He has a laundry downstairs. Sabi niya, iwawash ko daw, isampay. But before that, ang gagawin ko is, I'm going to make a sandwich for my mother-in-law. Well, Tommy made a tuna. So what I'm gonna do is put that on the bread, well, in between the two bread. Para later on, she have to eat. And then I give her coffee. The same thing that it will not take longer for us to go to the other house. So, yun lang ang gagawin ko. Kasi pag siya nang gumagawa, guys, it takes 100 years to finish. So, yun naman talaga ang buhay. Kasi alam nyo naman, she is matanda na. So, God, this is what happens when you have two hands, the left and the right, but you're only using one to hold the bread. Clap them softly. 1, 2, 3. I'm little, I used to, Anong klaseng kanta yun? May sasabihin pala ako guys sa inyo. Sasabihin ko ito guys kasi gusto kong malaman ng iba. Okay, ito na. Sasabihin ko na. Okay, while I'm doing this, okay? Pero may mga taong tanong ng tanong. Gusto ko lang malaman ninyo. Okay lang naman magtanong. Okay lang naman yung magtanong, pero pabalik-balik yung iba, pabalik-balik yung tanong, guys. Maraming ding hindi nakakita ng video ko o yung answer ko sa mga tanong. Katulad ng, sana magkaanak na kayo, bakit wala pa kayong anak, ganyan-ganyan. So, ina-answer ko yan sa mga vlog ko. Every time somebody ask me a comment, I will always answer. Tammy answered that question, I think, when Tammy and I did a Q&A, and so Tammy answered that question. So, but I still receive a lot of questions in Facebook, you know, and you know, I'm not mad. Hindi ako galit, guys, sa nagtatanong. I'm not mad at all. It's just you don't have any idea, you know. Kasi kami kasi ang yung mag-asawa. So, tinatry naman namin, guys, na magkaanak. Yung gusto namin magkaanak, pero wala pa. So, yun ang ano ko. Pero, at saka maraming nagtatanong, saan na, nagkaanak na kayo? Hindi. Tignan nyo, nakautot na ko. Hindi ganun ka dali, guys. Okay? May personal kaming kaming mag-asawa. At hindi madaling, kung gustuhin man namin, guys, gusto meron na. Pero, hintay-hintay lang kasi kami, guys. Kung meron man, di, salamat. Kung wala, mag-pray na lang kami para aabot tayo dyan. Pero gusto namin magkaanak. Pero ito na, last ko na tong ito. Kapag may mag-comment tungkol sa mga tanong-tanong magkaanak, ganyan-ganyan. Isa lang ang ano ko, guys. Isa lang ang answer ko. Gusto namin magkaanak. Oo, si Tammy, gusto niya yung mga bata. Kung papa lang siya, kung ama lang siya, guys, sobrang magandang ama yung asawa ko. At ako din, gusto ko rin may anak. So hintayin lang natin. Pero hindi kasi ninyo alam yung kung anong talagang nangyayari sa buhay namin. Kasi, you know, nagbablog. Alam na nyo man, maraming mga vlogger na nagsasabing ganito. You know, nagbablog ako, pero hindi ninyo alam yung lahat kung anong nangyayari sa buhay naming dalawa. So, gusto namin magkaanak. So, yun lang. Gusto namin magkaanak. Saka, sa mga nagtatanong at parang parang sinasabi nilang sayang, hindi pa kayo nag-anak. Ba't hindi pa kayo nag-anak? Mag-anak na kayo, gawa na kayo. Tinatry namin, guys. Pero wala pa man, guys. So, hintay na lang natin, guys. Pero kung wala man, guys, kung wala man, din, masaya na kami na mag-asawa. At saka kung meron man, sobrang dubli-dubling milyon-milyong saya yung kung mangyayari yun. Doon lang talaga, guys. Siya lang talaga ang may alam, guys. Doon sa taas, siya lang ang may alam kung bigyan niya kami. So, anyway. So, yun lang, guys. So, anyway, I have to keep going downstairs. This car is so dirty. I have to clean this up again. Vacuum cleaning. Why I have too lazy to clean up this car? I need to vacuum this car. Vacuum this car. Let's go out this way. Tignan nyo guys, may dalawa pang ano, raspberry oh. Dalawa natira. Hala, yun na lang. That's so weird. So raspberry pala ito. Guys, ano ba to? Namunga pa siya oh. May bunga. Hala, nagwiwi na si Roxy. Misty. Tignan niyo si Roxy, nagwiwi din. Yung pineapple ko guys, tumubo siya oh. It's growing guys, tignan niyo. It's growing, halaka. Kararating lang namin guys. Hindi naman yun masama yung traffic. Kaso lang, I was sleepy guys. And yung aso, hindi kumain ng lunch nila. When is the, I thought winter, summer is done. But tignan nyo, mas ano sa labas, parang summer pa din. Ay nako, it's November na. That's my baby. I text him, he doesn't reply, so I guess he planned to call me back. Hello? Hi.
How are you guys driving?
Fine, sleepy. Roxas, tignan nyo yung guys, yung moon guys. Sobrang ganda guys. Look at it. Ganda ng bulan guys. Yung kapitbahay namin, wala sila. Kasi sobrang dilim. Oops. Maganda lang yung buwan oh. I-ano ko siya, tawag nito. Hey, what's you doing? What are you doing? Happy? Fuck! You ignoring me? Hey. Rox. Huh. Right there. Hi, Misty. I see you, mate. I see you through the camera, mate. Does that make you happy? Does that make you happy, mate? Give me a paw. Give me a paw, baby. Misty, give me a paw. Good girl. Good girl, mate. Give me a paw. Good girl, mate. Good girl, yeah. Hi. Tinitipon ko yung dapat labhan kasi tomorrow I want to wash. Ay naku, yung shower ba? Tumutulo talaga guys. Tingnan natin. Ba't nagtulo-tulo ka, uy? So I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will end this video now. And I'm going to put mask on my face. The mask that I just got from Walmart. But anyway, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Good night guys. Bye bye. You still in bed?
Yeah.